Who's ready to go back to school? Everyone? Winston's back at taking a test. I slept right here last night because I felt like I was gonna throw up. So I had to sleep sitting. Didn't help much because I still feel like that. You too? Layla couldn't sleep last night, so she slept by me. Gage, how did you sleep last night? Wait, we have those?
Yeah.
How many? Why are they frozen? I want some. I was with Dad when he bought them.
So there's 6 of them. I've been eating them in the mornings.
They're so
Go
good.
Hunting.
Yum. Oh, I don't know if I even really fell asleep last night. I ran out of my anti-nausea medication a couple days ago, and it's been rough without it. But it was the weekend and Thanksgiving, and so I'm gonna call this morning and hopefully get some more because I feel like I'm gonna die. How was school?
Good.
Good. Are you ready for dance? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Back at it after Thanksgiving break, huh?
Yeah. I didn't go on Wednesday because of Wednesday.
Yeah, we had all last week off of dance, which was kind of nice, huh, to have a little break. Makes it more exciting to go again. Okay, let's go get in the car. Today has been rough. I threw up this morning after I took the kids to school. I just felt so terrible. Like exactly how I felt when I was very first pregnant. Smells were bothering me, and it was a bad morning. Casey went and got me some medicine. I'm so grateful that there's anti-nausea medication because that was awful. I was like, oh yeah, this feeling. But you guys, we're so close. Like 3 months, the baby will be here. So we're almost there. Are you ready to go get Layla? Winston's going with me so he can run in and grab her so I don't have to. I do not want to scare all of the children. I got this jacket last year and I love it. It's from Nike. I don't know if they still have it, but you should check and see if they do if you want something like this. Look at this thing. It's the best. I love it so much. It's one of my favorite things that I own because it's so comfy and I really just love it. I also got a coat that looks like a sleeping bag that is also the same length that I also really love. And it just cracks me up because of how big my belly is, and then I zip this up and I'm just like, I remind myself of a penguin.
I'm gonna try out for cheer.
That's
And then get full ride scholarships for cheer.
Isn't your cousin the cheer coach?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she would
What are
be
you guys
fun.
sitting?
Making chili.
Jealous? We just ate pizza again.
I'm making an advent calendar for our family. I thought it would be fun to do just a little calendar like this. I have a little printer that prints out pictures onto stickers. I'll leave a link down below. I'm gonna use that to stick a picture of our family on every single day in December so that we have fun memories to look back on. How fun is that? I hope it works out. This is not going to work. I should have done this part first. This is the size of the calendar that I want to make. This is the size of the picture that I have. So these are just little stickers. So I think I can do like Merry Christmas 2023 this way. And then the picture's this way. So I just need to mark this. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I'm gonna go through that and see how big I need to actually make. If this will even work. These might be too big. What I could do though is cut them in half. Oh, maybe I should just do that. And then I can print. Well, then that wouldn't really work. Then we'd only be able to do it every other day. But that might be the best option. I don't know. Gosh dang. Okay, I reconfigured everything and hopefully this is gonna work. I don't know. I might be ruining just a whole sheet of acrylic, but everyone cross their fingers that this is gonna work. It's gonna take 25 minutes to do all of this. I have it all ready to go in here. I am worried because I am gonna have to cut it a little smaller than I originally thought, but we're gonna make it work. No matter what, we're making this work. It's gonna work and I'm so happy. Annoying that I'm talking while my blowtorch is on. Oh, I'm gonna finish in a second. That was a little obnoxious, I apologize. But I did just cut out the Merry Christmas 2023. And what I decided to do was just take the picture. And we always like to take a serious picture and a funny picture. So I'm gonna do both and then you can make a collage. So I'll make a collage, put both on there, put both pictures on, print it on this, and then cut it in half. So then I can put So then I'll put one picture here, we'll decide, and then I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna put the other picture on the back. So we're gonna have 2 pictures for each day. That will be really fun, and to have an extra picture every day is gonna be perfect. I really had to do that because there was really no other way to fit this size of a photo on a calendar this size. This is something that I hope will become a tradition and we do every year. So next year I'll probably get a bigger board and cut the numbers out rather than engrave them and just make it a bigger calendar, because I think it will be a keepsake and it will be something fun to have throughout the years and just a fun way to remember everything going on. Even just this year, we're so excited to start the countdown for Christmas to come. My kids are at fun ages, but it's going to be even more fun when Braylee gets here. And I can't wait to start adding pictures with her as soon as she gets home. So it's going to be so fun. And I think year after year, everything's going to change so much, and it will be fun to have these. I wish I would have started doing this a long time ago so that we did have them to look back on. And I can just imagine one day having like a Christmas wall full of our advent calendars and having those memories. Another reason I wanted to do the pictures is because I struggle to take pictures. I'll look through my calendar roll to like look back on different things that we've done, and I am just terrible at taking photos. So what better way than to just make sure that we're doing this for the advent calendar every single day. I plan to get another one out. I have so many. I've made so many throughout the years. You can go, I have a Christmas playlist. I have a lot that are for the 25 days, a lot that you can take that idea and make it into the 12 days, and then some that are just 12 days. And I think that I might actually still make a 12-day countdown with little treats inside for the kids. But other than this, my kids have like a chocolate advent calendar, and I might get an old one out and just do like little treats. And I don't know what I'm doing other than this. This was the one that I wanted to do the most. So I'm going to paint this. This is actually clear acrylic, so I'm going to paint the back, I think like a teal color, and then paint the Merry Christmas red, and then fill the engraved numbers in black. And I think it's gonna be really cute. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi. Hi.
Layla and I are going to run to Hobby Lobby really quickly because I need some more ribbon. Winston helped me decide on doing this on the Christmas tree, this ribbon, and I love it. I've never done anything like that before, like a thick ribbon for a garland. I've added different little garlands like felt balls and things like that, but I've never done this, and I love it. I had a couple different ideas. I thought maybe I could tie it in bows or just drape it, but Winston and I decided on this, and I agree. It's beautiful, but as you can see, that was one roll of ribbon. I'm gonna need a few more. That was only one. It's really pretty. It is velvet, but luckily the ribbon is on sale right now. There's a hair, there we go. The ribbon's on sale at Hobby Lobby right now, so here's hoping that they have some. That's the only thing that I'm worried about, is I don't feel like they had a lot of ribbon when I got that. I was originally just gonna use that to put on my garlands, but I thought it would be so pretty and it just adds so much to the tree. So I'm gonna do that. What?
At Hobby Lobby, there's a chair.
A chair?
For your vanity.
Well, listen, what did I tell you? You can't ask for anything until Christmas. You can put it on your Christmas list. Anything my kids need, I'm like, you can ask for that for Christmas. I need a new toothpaste. You can ask for that for Christmas. Look how cute Layla looks. She's wearing my earrings. They're really cute. You look like such a big girl. And a bun. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
Yep. They don't have any. Boo.
Boo.
This is kind of pretty.
Yeah, this is
It's looking more blue on here, but that's like a darker greenish teal.
I want to get this. It's cute. Can we?
Let's think about it. I was looking at yarn to get to wrap some ornaments, and I just sliced my finger open on the packaging. So bad. And of course I don't have a band-aid, so I'm just gonna wrap some toilet paper around it. That's so bad. It's like such an intense paper cut. like who does that? Just me. Well, they didn't have the ribbon that I wanted, but they did have some red velvet ribbon, like bright red. So the car in front of me just turn their lights on, so. So I got that. I don't know if I'm gonna love it. I really love the color of the ribbon that I have on there, and this one's more of like a bright red. But I did get some yarn that was velvet that would match the color of the ribbon that I have on my tree now. But I don't know if that will look weird if I do both reds. I don't think so. It's Christmas, who cares? I feel like anything goes at Christmas. Is that right? I also got cute little wreaths to put on the back of my chair that I'm really excited about. Also, we're getting ready to put together some giving trees. It's something my family does every year. And I found the cutest little trees. Casey does it with Hush. I'm doing it because I'm working with a company who is donating gift cards and snacks and stuff. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the way it aligned is so perfectly because I'll be able to donate money and then they're donating. And so we'll just be able to put together some nice trees for any families in need. You guys, I apologize. I'm so scatterbrained these days. Oh my gosh. We put gift cards and cash and then like treats and things. Oh, thanks for that massage. On the trees. And then we leave them on people's doors. And it's just so fun and we love it. So very excited about that. And the trees are really cute. I'll show you. Is she okay? Okay, let's get buckled and go. Hey, Bray Bray. I'm showing Braylee the advent calendar, and she's sucking the pores out of her face. Okay, I'll show you the advent calendar. She was just saying she won't even be here.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, that's so cute.
Do you think it would be cute if I do the background like teal or turquoise, and then the Merry Christmas red, and the letters black?
Pink.
What?
Or baby pink.
I know, and I like that, but it won't really go with like the rest of the decorations.
Yeah.
So.
True. I think you should do red as the background then, and green as the letters.
Really?
Yeah.
I probably won't do that, but.
Okay.
But thanks for answering that.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. You have no idea. I had to do this 3 different times to try to fit the pictures on.
Really? That sucks.
It's okay. It's alright. Braylee's gonna be home so soon. She has like a week and a half left of teaching.
It'll be 2 weeks and 2 days.
Yay!
Wait.
So exciting.
I'm gonna have lots of teaching. And then a little over 2 weeks till I come home.
Yay. So happy about it.
So excited.
So happy about it. You miss your room.
Yeah, I do. I miss my privacy.
She has 2 roommates in the same bedroom. And it is a small
and
bedroom.
11 girls in a...
Yeah, it's a lot. Braylee's gonna do one more vlog before she comes home. You need to show all your... You need to show all of your cute Christmas trees. Don't peel it.
I'm thinking about doing a day in the life, not as a teacher.
Oh yeah. You don't even have to do like one day. You could just do like a week or something. Like your last week there or something.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
whatever you feel like. Okay, love you.
Love you.
Bye. Starting the painting process of the advent calendar before I go to bed. I'm painting all of the numbers black, and then I'm going to do 25 red. So I'll go through and I'll paint all of them, and I kind of like scrub it in where it's engraved, and then I'll let that dry for a little bit, and then I'll do a second coat just to make sure. Layla, come here. Uh-oh. Layla's fine. Also, I have a shirt on and a blanket. But Layla's fine. She fell off of her bed somehow. She wasn't asleep. She just fell off of her bed somehow. Bumped her little back on the wall, but she's okay. She's laying down. I told her to let me know if it's still hurting. Anyway, I came up here to finish this, and I'm gonna get in the bath because that's the only thing that makes me feel better. Let me know if you felt this way when you were pregnant, or if you've been pregnant. But when you take a bath, it's kind of like you feel lighter, and it's like you don't feel all the pressure from the baby, and it's just so nice. And what I would give to have a big bathtub, but my primary bathroom does not have a bathtub, which I'm super bummed about, But I understand a lot of people don't like taking baths, and if you're building a house and you don't ever take a bath, like why would you take up the space in the bathroom for one? But I would demo my entire bathroom to add a bathtub. This will be the last vlog of November. I did plan on putting up a couple vlogs and I just didn't feel well, and so I got behind, which is stressing me out because we're starting Vlogmas in a couple of days and I really want to get a video up every day, which is obviously the goal of Vlogmas. So fingers crossed I feel good and everything goes smoothly. And I hope that we can stay busy doing fun things so it's entertaining. Also, I was going to mention with this advent calendar that I made, you don't have to have a glow forge and you don't have to engrave this. You can just get a piece of wood or a piece of even cardboard, really. Anything that you feel like would be sturdy enough to hang up. Obviously with cardboard, you have to be a little more careful with it when you're storing it, but you don't have to do anything fancy like this. You can do this. You can write Merry Christmas or paint Merry Christmas and paint the numbers on, write the numbers on, and then just put pictures up, you know? Also, you can just take a picture every day of the month and then print them all out at the end and just put them in a scrapbook, you know? So I hope that showing crafts like this is just inspiring to do something like that. If you feel like that's something that you would love to have to look back on, I need it to make sure that I'm capturing memories and capturing things that we're doing. And I'm really excited. So I'll be sure to show this to you and show you our pictures throughout the month also. Tomorrow is a super exciting day. Carly, Colette, Morgan, and I are going to a dinner for Wally phone cases. And I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm stressed about what I'm going to wear because nothing fits me. And you know, I've talked about this a billion times. I haven't wanted to buy maternity clothes because mostly I'm just like hanging out here and I'm finding my sweats, and even if they're a little tight. But I think I'm going to wear the dress that I wore as my Halloween costume because it's really comfortable and hopefully it's fancy enough. I don't know. But I'm excited to hang out with the girls. Who cares? If I don't look great, if everyone looks fancier than me, that's fine. I'm going to go and I'm going to have fun and I'm so excited. So I'll be sure to vlog that and so many more things. You guys, we're counting down to Christmas. Are you ready? I'm not quite ready. I have gotten a lot of Christmas shopping done because I wanted to get that out of the way so that I wasn't stressed about it. Hoping to get some Christmas presents wrapped in under the tree, get that taken care of, just so that we can really enjoy time together. Although I do really enjoy wrapping presents. I'll share how I wrap some of my Christmas gifts. Not that it's anything special, but just to give ideas. Also, I think watching videos like that is so fun. So anyway, I hope that you all had a great November, but I'm sure we're all ready for December, countdown to Christmas, and all the fun things that come with that this holiday season. I can't wait to share all of our memories with you guys. I also would love to hear about all the fun things that you'll be doing this holiday season. So let me know, and I'll see you next time for the beginning of Vlogmas. Bye.